Hey everyone! In this part of the video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Trust Wallet using the Chrome browser extension. The great thing about Trust Wallet is that it's compatible with a bunch of browsers: Chrome, Brave, Opera, and even Edge. So no matter what you're using, the process is almost the same. First, open the Trust Wallet extension on Google Chrome and unlock your wallet. Once you're inside, look for the Buy and Sell option in the menu. Click on it, and then go over to the Sell tab. Here, you'll need to choose which cryptocurrency you want to sell and enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. After that, select the fiat currency you want to receive. For example, USD or EU, or depending on what's available in your region. Next, pick your preferred payment provider from the list of available options. Different providers may have different fees or processing times, so choose the one that works best for you. Once that's done, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction and transfer the money to your bank account, and that's it. That's how you take money out of Trust Wallet through the Chrome extension. If you're using another browser like Brave or Edge, don't worry, the steps are basically the same. This way, you can easily sell your crypto and move your funds straight to your bank, all without leaving your browser. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto tips.